In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag on Shopify, perfect for beginners who want to enhance their online store analytics. Let's dive right in and get your Shopify store equipped with Google Tag Manager, which will allow you to track customer interactions more effectively. First and foremost, head over to your Shopify pants. No, you'll be spending a bit of time here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the interface. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section. Consider this your starting point. Here is where you'll be able to search for whatever app or integration you need, including Google Tag. In the search bar, type in Google Tag or a related app that fits your purpose. The search results will guide you to the correct listing. After locating the Google Tag app in the search results, your next step is to click Install to begin the installation process. This part of the setup might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Once you've clicked Install, you'll need to confirm this action by clicking Install once again. This double check is just a safety feature to make sure you're adding the correct app, so click with confidence and let the app do its work. With the app installed, you now need to enable the App Embed feature. This step is crucial as it allows the app to properly integrate with your Shopify store. Simply click on Enable App Embed. And once you've done that, remember to save your changes. Saving is imperative in this step-by-step process. It guarantees that all the adjustments you've made are properly recorded and will take effect. Now it's time to enter or insert your Google Tag Manager container ID. This ID is unique to your account and project, so make sure you have it handy before getting to this stage. Input the ID into the designated field and then click on Check Valid ID. This helps to ensure that the container ID you've entered is recognized and correctly set up for tracking. Keep an eye on any prompts or notifications as you do this. They are there to guide you and confirm that every piece of the puzzle is coming together as it should. Once your ID is validated, there will likely be a prompt to follow additional instructions specific to starting the app within your Shopify store. This could involve confirming settings or authorizing permissions that will allow the app to function seamlessly. Carefully follow any prompts, and if you ever feel unsure, take a pause to review the instructions provided within the app itself. And there you have it. Your Google Tag Manager is now successfully set up on your Shopify store. This installation will greatly enhance your ability to track and analyze how customers interact with your online shop, providing you with richer insights to make informed business decisions. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing.